After the age of 60, many older Americans notice changes they never expected. Digestion feels slower, blood pressure numbers creep higher, and energy fades more quickly than it used to. For some, even fighting off a simple cold takes longer. But what if one of the most powerful remedies has been sitting quietly in your kitchen all along? Garlic. Yes, garlic, that humble little bulb, has been called nature's antibiotic, and science shows it may help lower blood pressure, support memory, fight infections, and even strengthen the heart. In fact, research suggests that seniors who regularly eat garlic may cut their risk of certain age-related health problems by nearly 25%. Imagine something as simple as garlic making a real difference in your daily life. In this video, I'll share the benefits of garlic, the best ways to use it, and the most important tips to stay safe. Hello, and welcome. This is the place where we talk about simple foods, plants, and vegetables that help older adults, especially older Americans, live healthier, stronger lives every day. Garlic is more than a flavor. It's a natural remedy, a quiet helper that has been with us for centuries. I've spent more than 10 years studying natural wellness and heart health. My passion has always been to find small, safe changes that bring real benefits to people after 60. I've seen it work. I once shared garlic tips with a 72-year-old gentleman who struggled with high blood pressure. After just a few weeks of adding garlic into his meals, alongside his doctor's advice, he felt lighter, more energetic, and hopeful again. That's why I'm here today, to share what I've learned, to give you practical, easy ways to use garlic for better health. If you are over 60, living in America, and looking for natural ways to protect your heart, support your memory, and strengthen your body, garlic might be the key you've been missing. So stay with me. Let's uncover the real power of garlic together. As the years go by, changes come quietly. After age 60, the body doesn't feel the same. Memory starts to slip. Joints become stiffer. Energy fades faster than it once did. And the immune system, the body's shield, isn't as strong as it used to be. For many older Americans, this feels familiar. Catching a cold takes longer to recover. Blood pressure creeps higher. Cholesterol numbers rise. Even the simple act of walking upstairs can feel heavier. What is happening inside? One big reason is something called free radicals. Think of them as tiny sparks that damage your cells over time. Too many sparks, and the body wears down faster. The heart, the brain, even the skin. This process speeds up with age. But here's the hopeful part. Nature gives us tools. Safe, powerful, natural tools. Foods that can calm those sparks, strengthen the immune system, and help the heart beat with more ease. And garlic is one of the best. Garlic contains compounds that fight those free radicals. It helps the body protect its cells, keep blood vessels flexible, and improve circulation. So let me ask you, if there were one simple food that could help your memory, support your joints, and give you more energy, wouldn't you want to know what it is? The good news is, it's already in your kitchen. Garlic, humble, simple, and powerful. Garlic, a small bulb with a powerful history. For centuries, people around the world have used garlic not just as food, but as medicine. And today, science confirms what tradition has long believed. Garlic is part of the onion family. Each bulb is made of small cloves. When crushed or chopped, garlic releases allicin, the active compound that carries most of its health benefits. It may look simple. But inside, garlic is loaded with antioxidants, sulfur compounds, and nutrients that support the aging body. Modern research backs it up. The National Institutes of Health notes that garlic has been studied for its effects on the heart, immune system, and even memory. The American Heart Association highlights garlic's role in maintaining healthy blood pressure and cholesterol. Here's what garlic can do for older adults. It protects the heart by relaxing blood vessels, supports memory by shielding brain cells, boosts immunity against infections, improves cholesterol balance by lowering LDL and raising HDL, and reduces inflammation, easing stiff joints. Imagine just one clove of garlic a day supporting your heart, brain, and immune system. Most studies suggest about 1 to 2 fresh cloves per day, roughly 3 to 5 grams. Crush or chop garlic and let it rest before cooking. Add it to soups, roasted vegetables, or mix raw garlic with olive oil on bread. 1 clove of garlic contains more antioxidant power than half a cup of certain leafy greens. For storage, keep bulbs in a cool, dry place, or peel and freeze cloves for longer use. Garlic is affordable, easy to find, and fits right into the American kitchen. Garlic is powerful. But like any strong remedy, it should be used with care. If you are over 60, and especially if you live with health conditions, it's important to be mindful. Garlic can thin the blood. So if you are taking blood thinners, like warfarin, aspirin, or even certain heart medications, talk with your doctor before using garlic daily. If you are scheduled for surgery, doctors often recommend stopping garlic at least 1 week before. Some people may also feel stomach upset when eating raw garlic. Start small, 1 clove at a time. Listen to your body. Remember, natural doesn't always mean risk-free. Even healthy foods can interact with medicines. So here's the friendly reminder. If you have diabetes, heart disease, or high blood pressure, please check with your doctor. They know your history best. Used wisely, garlic can be a friend to your health, but safety comes first. And with the right guidance, you can enjoy its benefits with peace of mind. Garlic may be small, but its impact is powerful. For older Americans, it can support the heart, strengthen memory, and boost the body's defenses. A simple clove, adding strength to every day. And here's something important. When you share what you learn, you're not just helping yourself. You may help a friend, a neighbor, even a loved one protect their memory and health for years to come. So if you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Tell me, what food would you like me to explore next? Your ideas guide this channel, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing. That way, you'll never miss the simple, natural ways to stay strong and live well after 60. Together, we can keep learning. Together, we can keep living healthier, longer, and happier lives.